Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Yohimbine for fat loss. Yohimbine works by blocking specific receptors in your body called alpha-2 adrenergic receptors. These receptors typically prevent fat from being released from your fat cells. By blocking them, Yohimbine helps your body mobilize stored fat, especially from those notoriously stubborn areas like your lower abdomen and hips, making it available to be burned for energy. This mechanism is key to its effectiveness. For optimal results, a common dosage is around 0.2 milligrams per kilogram of body weight. For example, a 75-kilogram person would take 15 milligrams. It's crucial to take Yohimbine on an empty stomach, ideally about 30 to 60 minutes before your workout. Furthermore, avoid eating, particularly carbohydrates, for several hours after taking it, as insulin can negate its effects. This timing maximizes its fat-mobilizing potential. To maximize Yohimbine's benefits, combine it with fasted cardio or high-intensity interval training. This helps your body utilize the mobilized fat for energy. Remember, Yohimbine is a tool, not a magic bullet. You must maintain a consistent caloric deficit through a well-structured, balanced diet to see results. Also, ensure you are drinking plenty of water throughout the day to support overall health and metabolism. Before incorporating Yohimbine, it is essential to consult a healthcare professional, especially if you have pre-existing conditions. Potential side effects can include increased heart rate, anxiety, and elevated blood pressure. It is always wise to start with a lower dose, perhaps half of the recommended amount, to assess your individual tolerance. Gradually increase the dosage only if you feel comfortable and experience no adverse reactions.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.